Right, so as everyone watching this should know, we are hugely AI focused on this channel. Now, that normally means in the context of AI models for OnlyFans. However, we get a lot of questions about how do I actually use AI to automate certain processes in my agency, such as marketing, recruitment, shit like this. And what I'm going to do today is go over how you can use AI to automate your short form content process. Now, short form content is obviously extremely important for marketing, and a lot of agencies will use this as their main marketing method. So how do we use AI to actually enhance this and make your short form content plan as efficient as it can be? How do the largest and most successful agencies go about short form content, or how did they go about short form content? Well, I can tell you now, they had a huge team of people just sit online all day scouring the internet for TikToks, Reels, and the latest trends. Now, they'd have a team to do this, it would take all day, and it's not the most efficient or cost-effective method anymore. Now, what we have is certain softwares that can basically replicate having a team behind you to look for the latest trends, to put together videos and content plans for your models. So we are going to look at that today. Now, this software is called SpyFans. SpyFans will allow you to make the most effective short form content plan, look at the latest trends in your model's niche, and allow you to make unlimited content for your models. Now, this can be AI models or normal models. It doesn't actually matter which one you use for SpyFans. It works for either one, and we're going to look at that right now. All right, so first I'm going to go over pricing, because that is probably, your first concern when it comes to softwares. Now, pricing is very fair. When you sign up to SpyFans, you get a free version. Now, this free version isn't great. You don't get as much bang for your buck as you do when you're actually paying for the software, of course. Now, what you do get is when you sign up and put your Telegram username into the platform, you will get a 7-day free trial on the full version. So you'll be able to see all the features and all the benefits that you would normally get if you are paying the $99 a month for the pro version. So let's get into the software itself. Now, software itself, what we have here is on the side, you have filters. Now, obviously, this is to help you out of your short form content, so keep that in mind. Now, when you have a model in mind that you want to get a short form content plan together for, what you want to do is select certain filters that she falls under. So here you can choose the country that you would like to target. You can choose the niche that she's in, and you can choose multiple of these, by the way. So if she fits under multiple of them, you can niche it down super niche. You can filter by followers. So if you want a video with a lot of views, for example, and not many followers, so you want a video that has taken someone to get viral without having many followers, you can actually do that in the box here. So what I'm going to do is put together a quick example. So we're going to go United Kingdom and blonde, just for an example, just to keep it super simple. And what we have here is a selection of videos that I will come up with blonde models from the UK, or being shown in the UK. So here is how I would actually compile a content plan for one of my models. What I would do is scroll through, watch a few of these videos. So yeah, this one, give it a little watch, yeah, whatever, and find one that is suitable for your model. This is why it's important to actually filter out and have conversations with your model before you actually sign them. And this is why you need such a close relationship with your model, because you need to gauge what she is comfortable recording, what she is not comfortable recording, and what she's actually going to be good at recording and not good at recording. So what niche is she going to best fall under, and what type of videos should she be making? Should she be making stupid videos like this woman looks like she's doing here, no offense? Or is she going to be the best at making first chat videos like this? Or are you an AI model and you are creating it yourself? This is what you need to gauge before actually selecting a video. So let's say I watched all of these and the first one that I decided fits my model best was this pretty lady here. What I would do is copy the link. So what you do is go to the three dots, copy the link here, takes you to the TikTok, copy the link, shut that down, and you want to paste it somewhere where you know you can find it. So link here, bang. That link is now saved. Now what you can do is then keep going, save more and more, and then you can actually create a decent content plan for your model. You can go through very, very simply, gives you viral videos to create for your model, send this over to your model and your model can create them. It's pretty much as simple as that. What you're gonna get from this is a content plan for the model, for the day, the week, the month. However, regularly you need to refresh your model's content plan and how viral you want your videos to go. If you want the most viral video you want to be doing past 24 hours and you want to give your model a new plan every single day, so you want to wake up before your model, you want to get her the stuff that she needs to do that day and make her post that content that day. Now when your models are actually recreating this video and posting it, make sure they're using the original sound. Now you can do this by going to the three dots and clicking on this and it will take you to the original sound of the video. You can copy paste this, give it to the model, and she can make the TikTok using the original sound that that creator has used. This will give it a higher chance of going viral, just like the creator on SpyFans has. Now, here is another cool feature of SpyFans. You can have certain feeds that you can track. So for example, I'm going to do one in front of you right now. So let's create new. Let's say my model is called Chelsea. What we do is type in Chelsea there just to create a feed for Chelsea. And you can go in here. And what you want to do is find users or competitors to this model and paste them in here. And what it will do is give you a custom feed. So it will give you feedback on your actual model's competitors. So I threw together a list earlier of random models that I just found on SpyFans. I didn't actually do any research. This isn't for a real model. This is just for an example. So paste that in there, press add, and what it's going to do is create a nice looking feed that's actually specific to the competitors of your model. Now you can do the same thing. You can sort by views, sort by followers, sort by the time. So if you want past 24 hours, you can do that as well. And then you have a lovely feed for your model, and you can actually specifically take competitors' TikToks and straight away make them with your model. Another feature is slides. Now, TikTok slides, if you're not aware, when someone's scrolling through TikTok, they are looking for easy to watch content that is very brain numbing. That is effectively why people waste their time on these short form content platforms. So what slides are going to do is basically they're just images that have a sound and you can scroll across them. It's super, super simple. So you can find trends of the slides here. You can recreate them for your own model, take pictures, take the sound, and take the captions that they are using, and actually recreate that for your own model. These are the easiest fucking videos to make. The model does not have to be involved, so you're not actually wasting the time of the model. It just takes a member of your team to make these TikToks, and they're super fucking easy. I could bang out 10 of these slides in 20 minutes for each model. Easy, easy. So if I had 5 models, it would take me 100 minutes, and I could bang 10 videos for each of them. Not even shitting you, especially with this software. It makes it fucking easy. This is obviously a plus for AI models because it's a lot easier to get images for AI models than it is to get video. So a massive plus here is that you can obviously just take this and use it for your AI models. We also have a music section. Now this will just give you the most current trending sounds. So what this is going to do is allow you to make your own trends or make your own slide trends or just upload images that will have a viral sound behind them. This will just instantly allow you to get that extra bit of virality behind you. You already have a sound that is going viral, so you know that it will work. We also here have a hashtags feed. Now, these are basically hashtags with more than average views, and not many models are using them. Apparently so. So if you are looking for hashtags to boost your model's content, stick these in the captions and we have a higher chance of going viral with these hashtags here. I'm not going to go too in depth with these. It's super simple. You can, again, organize by time, organize by the past month. Doesn't matter. You will get the most competitive hashtags that are going to make you go viral. Now, what SpyFans also offers are guides on TikTok. Now, these may not be the most up-to-date and most in-depth guides. However, if you are a beginner in the space, what this is going to allow you to do is get the basics right. So setting up TikTok accounts. There is certain ways to set up TikTok accounts that will allow videos to go viral and stop you from getting shadow banned so quickly. Warming up TikTok accounts, this is important too. And just give you general tips, how to make videos better, angles, lighting. So if you don't know yourself and you need to train models how to do this, these documents will allow you to basically teach your models a lot easier and efficiently. There's obviously more documents on here, which I won't go through in this, but if you are a beginner in the space, this is going to be a shit ton of help to you. Now, SpyFans do offer other services as well as the actual SpyFans software itself. They have a face swap AI software, a repurpose bot, and TikTok US SIM card provider. Now, what I'm going to go over in this video is face swap AI bot. So we're going to jump into that now, and it's going to basically allow you to create unlimited content for your models, AI models, whoever. Now you're probably thinking, oh no, it's just a face swapping software, I'm not too interested. I've used these before, they're pretty shit. However, it's a lot fucking different. This is going to allow you to create unlimited content for your models, AI models, whoever the fuck you need to create content for. This is going to be the key to unlocking unlimited content for your models. All you need is the username of a model who has the same hair color, looks a bit similar body type, and uses the correct lighting and shows their full face for most of their videos. Half faces don't work, and there is certain other things that do not work. So I'm going to show you a good example now. What you want to do is put some money into your balance on SwapFans, and you will be good to go with making videos. Once you've got the username of the model that you want to create, what you want to do is actually upload an image of your model's face. This has to be HD, has to be good quality, good lighting, and it has to be a face-on image of your model. So don't fuck about, don't give them shitty images because the videos will just come out shit. I'm going to put one in now, put in the username of a model that I found through SpyFans earlier, and we're going to create a few videos together. What I have done is implanted the image of my AI model into this software, and I have put in the username of a girl which I found who makes good content that my model would fit with correct lighting, etc. Now, apologies if you are this lovely lady or you manage this lovely lady. I'm just going to use her as an example. Hope you don't mind. But what we can basically do with this is select multiple videos. So for example, I'm just going to select a load of videos here. So bang, 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 make sure they're decent lighting, select multiple of them. I think these videos that I'm selecting, obviously you want to watch these and make sure that they will work. I'm just obviously doing this for a video, so I'm gonna rush it along a little bit. But remember, this does cost you money, these will cost you credits, so don't just go around clicking random ones like I've just done. But what you want to do is go up here and click generate videos. Now it will cost you $4.80, that's free. So I'm going to click that, and basically your videos will go into the videos tab up here, and it will automatically put your model's face on this content and allow you to use that for your models. Now I'm going to skip ahead when these videos are processed, and we're going to have a look at some of them. As we can see from these results in the videos tab, we now have 12 videos that I generated, all with the same model's face on it. It automatically printed that model's face onto all of these videos, and now these can be used as short form content for your AI model, your normal model, whoever. Short form content is the most effective way to get eyes on your model as quick as possible. Now, we try to keep you updated on the latest methods for marketing, recruitment, and everything OFM and AI OFM. So make sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel, as well as subscribe for the latest and newest videos. If you do need extra guidance, we do sell a course. We do also sell coaching, that is for AI influencers or AI models and normal models. So we do normal OFM and AI OFM coaching. If that interests you, give me a message on Instagram. Just message me the word OFM and I will reply to you as soon as possible.